A database system that is dedicated to storage, management, and access of one or more media types, such as text, graphics, image, video, and audio. Yes, I'm telling about multimedia database. This is Mariam. My ID is 193174115. Today I'm presenting database with multimedia. Here is my presentation. My title is Database with Multimedia. It is a topic I have arranged by this criteria, like the definition of database, multimedia database, then the types of multimedia database, characteristic of multimedia database, advantage, disadvantage, application area, requirement, issues and challenge, and the last one is reference. First of all, what is database? Actually, database is a collection of information organized to provide efficient retrieval. The collected information could be in any number of formats, like electronic media, printed media, graphic media, audio, etc. As like an example, it could be a phone book or an address book. Then the multimedia. Separately, multimedia means the computer information can be represented through audio, video, animation, like this way. Multimedia data also refer to data that consists of various media types like text, audio, video, and animation. So, in one word, it is like it consists of video, animation, audio, text, graphics. All this media could the multimedia. Create the multimedia. Now, what is multimedia database? Actually, multimedia database is a framework that manages different types of data, potentially represented in a wide diversity of formats on a wide array of media sources. It provides facilities for creation, storage, access, query, control of a multimedia database. Now, types of multimedia data. Text, graphics, image, video, audio, these all media create the multimedia, as we know. So, in text part, it's using a standard language. It could be HTML. Graphics part encoded in CGM, and image part bitmap, JPG, MPG. And the video part, sequenced image data at a specific rate. Last one, audio, oral recordings in a string of bits in digitized form. Now the data types. Data types are categorized into 3 classes, like static media, dynamic media, and the dimensional media. Static media, which is time-independent image and graphics object. Dynamic media, time-dependent audio, video, and animation. It could be dynamic media. And the dimensional is 3D game or computer-aided graphics, like CAD programs. Now, it is a characteristic of multimedia database. There are lots of characteristics. Here I have mentioned some of them, like corresponding storage media, descriptive search method, view specific and simultaneous data access, management of large amount of data, real-time data transfer, large transfer of data. Advantages of multimedia database. As there are lots of advantages, like they support multiple formats of data, like text, audio, video, etc. And then data independence, which is separate the database and the management from the application program. They provide access and authorized control. And in the query method, like multimedia database should have the ability to uniformly query data represented in different formats and have the ability to simultaneously query different media sources and conduct classical database operation across them. And in the disadvantage part, usually the data size of multimedia is large, such as video. Therefore, multimedia data often require a large storage. Multimedia database consume a lot of processing time and in the bandwidth also. Now, this is the application areas. This is some of area like digital library, news on demand, video on demand, music database, geographic animation, information system, telemedicine. In this part, multimedia database could be used. Issues and challenges. Multimedia data require a large storage, so it's a challenge. And then multimedia database consume a lot of processing time. And the last one is some multimedia data types have temporal requirement that have implication on their storage, manipulation, and presentation. So this is a short go through on multimedia database. So in the last part, this is all the reference I have presented. Thank you.